Hey, it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the Ebony Biz Diva. I wanted to do a video because I just think it's easier to do a video, and we may not know each other, so now we can get to know each other. All right. I wanted to say thank you for thinking about becoming an affiliate for the Pinterest Business Accelerator. I am super excited. This is like my fourth installment of my Pinterest course. It gets better and better and better. So if you have an audience in a Facebook group or on your email list that really needs to understand how to extend their online reach, that want and need to build their email list, and who have products and services that they are trying to get in front of the right audience, and they feel as if they're spinning their wheels in the process, selling to people that aren't their ideal clients. This course is for them because Pinterest has over 400 million monthly users. At the time that I did the course information, one of my businesses was at 17,000 monthly views. But then yesterday I looked, honey child, okay, a girl is at 46,000 monthly views. Like, where we do that at? So this is the reach that Pinterest gives. I knew that my Stripe account was blinging a little bit, but this is the magic of Pinterest. 93% of those 400 million monthly users are on Pinterest researching and planning their next business purchase. Like, they are already locked and loaded that they're gonna make a purchase. They're just doing some research on Pinterest, right? So this is why Pinterest is key for us as business owners and entrepreneurs to be able to place our services and our items on there. And if you are a digital content creator, a course creator, a business coach, Pinterest is your friend, honey. Because on Facebook and Instagram, you can't advertise those digital products on your Facebook shops and your Instagram shops, but guess where you can advertise them at, honey bunches of oats? Pinterest. Pinterest said, bring me all that content, all that digital content. Bring me all of those courses you're creating, okay? Bring me all of that coaching business you got, right? They're not scared of digital content creation. In fact, they embrace it. So as a digital content creator, a course creator, and a business coach myself, I feel at home at Pinterest. And I'm so excited to be able to share all of the ins and outs, which is why this is an 8-week intensive. So if you're ready to go, if you're ready to do this thing, let me know, and I will send you your affiliate link along with your graphics and an email sample of what to send to your tribe. Any questions? Let me know. I'm just an email away. I'm your girl Paula Marie, aka the Ebony Biz Diva.